Hey guys, my name is Elijah and in this tutorial I will show you how to reply to part of comment on Reddit. First of all, I will choose this post to show you how to reply to part of comment. In order to do that, just select the comment. So let's say I want to select this one. I will click on reply and then select the part of the comment I want to reply to. Now right click and click copy. Then go right here and right click and paste. Now simply go right here to these three dots and click on show formatting options. Now select the text again and click right here on this quote block. Now it will quote this text and you can simply press enter 2 times and write your opinion. This is how simple it is to reply to a part of a comment. Thank you very much for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.